Good morning. Welcome back or welcome. New hair, new me. It's my birthday today. I decided to start the day off by peeling off my wrap because I plan on repainting my car. Surprise, surprise.
Came in yesterday looking all Sailor Moon and shit.
Oh yeah, wrap definitely needs to come off. I already took off the wrap on the pillar, as you can see. Yes, my car is single stage black underneath, so I am expecting the paint to peel up with the wrap. It's not terrible. The person who did my wrap job did a terrible job, so thankfully this is gonna be super easy. Look at that. Wow, I haven't seen my car with a black front end in like 2-3 years.
End of flashback.
All right, next is gonna be the back bumper and the side skirts. I think I'm gonna take the skirts off to do them, so we'll see. So, if you guys can, no, you definitely can. There is some wrap underneath my finish panel that I cannot grab out, but it's fine because this is KBD kit. It's gonna have to come off. I'm gonna have to scuff it, respray it with self-adhesive or something. So I'm just gonna leave it. Yeah, back bumper complete. I don't hate how it looks. Yeah, I do. I definitely do. It's like a sauna in here. Take it in while you can, guys, because this is getting a full refresh. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Yeah. My car's gonna look so naked. I got the skirt and it's inside. I sound like I'm crying right now because I got stung by a bee while I was removing this. I'm not gonna show where I got stung because it's inappropriate. So far, so fake. Sorry, couldn't help myself. Gonna attempt to get that one off. I got Ant to be the bee lookout.
There ain't no bees out here.
There's a lot of bees. I just don't know where they are.
Right in the bushes.
Do you see them?
They are in fact in the mirror. That sucks.
I don't want to get closer because I don't want to get stung again. Skirt is off. Now I go inside. Thanks for your help. Yeah, that works too. Now time to unwrap them. Woo! Boom! All done. And it's actually a new day too. I got stopped what I was doing midway because Jordy and all my friends threw me a little surprise party. So there's my balloons and the sign they got me. It was super f***ing cute. Here's the video of me blowing out my candles.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kylie. Happy birthday to you.
Sorry, I got distracted.
End of flashback.
But we're back. I'm gonna pull the Miata up to the wash bay so I can finish unwrapping it without risking getting stung by a bee again. Man, I forgot I left all my hardware on the seat. Oh, I'm not moving it now. Woo! Is that a spider web? Whatever. It's hot as f in here. I can't reach the clutch. Hold on. Ugh. Okay, we're by the wash bay. As I was pulling in here, I wish I recorded, but I literally saw a bee fly. I guess we'll start where Ant was already peeling it back.
We're here again in the rabbit hole.
It looks terrible.
New bumpers?
This is what happens when you don't know how to prep.
Are you talking about yourself?
I'm about to knock someone's ass out.
No, I didn't do this. That's crazy. So I went ahead and took the mirror off, and you guys can get a closer look of how horrible this prep work was. This is insane.
Can I give you some advice? You gotta get better at this part of the job.
Wow. Yeah. A brand new person. Let's skip the time lapses on this side. Did the trunk too. Now I need to do the hood, the finished panel, and the headlight covers.
2 hours later.
And we are back to black. I forgot how good this car looks black. It's been a while. Mirrors are the last thing I have to do, so bear with me.
The next morning.
It seems with the mirrors, the wrap shop that did my wrap job took off these screws and tucked it underneath. So I gotta unscrew this. I undid it and...
Oh, it just twists. Oh, wow.
Look at that. Look at that wrap job. This is why paint is better than wrap. Show everyone you're committed. Paint your car. Mirrors are done. Thank you, Henry, for the assistance. Now I'm just gonna leave them off the car for now because it makes no sense to put them back on to take them off again. But I did tape up the holes, and if you see right here, there's a little bare metal that I just wanna hit with some self-etch so it's not rusting out here. One's kind of going crazy right now, guys. You ready? There we go. Definitely not pretty, but it'll do the job, and that's all that matters.
12 seconds later.
And that, my friends, is why I had to do the ugly line of self-etch. That would have rusted. But I'll be back tomorrow. I'm gonna go out with the girls tonight. We're gonna go line dancing. I got my cowboy boots in the back. It's gonna be a fun time. See you guys tomorrow. Good morning, and we're back at the shop. I got one black car back, but we're gonna be focusing on another black car today, and it's not Jordy's E36.
Where are you going, dude?
It's not the Honda. It's not Richie's E36. Boo! I'm stealing Jimmy's Z.
Sometime soon. We just gotta prep it and get it ready.
Yes. So the plan is all the boys think I will drive a lot better in the Z. So Jimmy said I can steal it and try it out if I do an oil change on it. So that's what we're gonna do today. I hate BQs.
I think everybody low-key does. They
Oh,
just
wow.
work good.
Look at that. How cute.
You don't even fit in this thing.
Yeah, we definitely need to adjust the seat.
It don't move, girl. It's fixed.
Okay. She sounds a little
Like she's leaking at the headers? Yeah, because
Yeah.
she is. Still works though good.
Popping in or what?
No, I'll meet you over there.
Okay.
Thing needs some load. I'm really surprised you didn't stop.
Honestly, it was very hard. I had to like hold myself like this and throw it in gear.
Alright, Kai, what are the perks of being a 5-foot female driver?
There aren't really that many.
I was gonna say by the cars, there's 0.
Okay, so this is a flat face. This is what I want in my car, but I want a thrash version.
And also, one of your limiting factors for being in this car now is a
Height.
flat wheel.
Yeah.
So let's see. Let's see if your wheel works. It should give you a little bit more closeness.
Who thinks?
Yeah, but it feels more comfortable.
Yes, this definitely feels a lot more comfortable than that one, but I cannot see over it.
So seat height is your issue.
Yes.
Okay.
So we're gonna have to, we're gonna have to adjust the seat before we do an oil change because there's no point in doing an oil change if I can't drive the damn thing.
Let's get to it.
Okay, so the back we're gonna take out completely and then the front we're just gonna loosen.
This is nice. This is nice. I don't have to do shit. Good job. So before the seat was like this, we want it like this.
Okay, so you're gonna hold it while I put it back, right?
Maybe.
20 minutes later.
Finally got it going. After a bajillion times.
It's only been 20 minutes, but seats are a pain in the ass.
It's only been 20 minutes, but it was a frustrating 20 minutes.
Respectable. We might have to do it again if you don't finish, so.
If you know how I feel, why would you say that? Like, you put me in such an uncomfortable situation. Like, you know I'm not happy. You know I'm trying to see if it'll work out here, and I know that it...
Okay, guys. I fit a lot better. We got the 330 on.
Yeah, you actually can reach
Clutch.
the pedals now?
Gas. Got brake.
Yeah, like a race car driver, Kai. I'm gonna crash it, dude.
Yeah, I've crashed it a lot. It's got a cage now.
It's extra safe.
Let's jack this baby up. Wow, look at that. We even got the oil pan ready. Gotta pop open the hood. How the f do you open this? Oh my god, I hate VQs.
I don't think it's a VQ problem, Kai.
I got it! Yay!
Hey.
Yep, engine's all there. It's tightened. Back down she goes. Guinea. Let's see if I can do this one hand. Next up, the coolant.
We broke it.
Shrink up. Alright, where did you go, coolant?
Oh, at least it's not coming out from the bottom.
You were close.
It's green. Bubbling. Get out of my swamp. What's next?
Check the exhaust flanges, make sure they're tight.
Oh, yeah, that would be smart. Checked it.
Yeah, it's good enough.
You got a lot more issues than just that poking out.
This thing's fun as It's good for what it is. It
You
just
look
does.
so close.
Yeah, I can't move
It
at
just
all.
does the thing.
I get why people like it.
Yeah, they do the thing.
Work.
Yeah. God, the exhaust leaks just ruin it.
Yeah, it's terrible. Yeah, if you look at the bottom.
That smelly smell.
Do you smell it? That smell. The kind of smelly smell. The smelly smell that smells smelly.
They kind of match.
Stuck in the car.
He's stuck.
Where's the key? Hey, unlock? Oh.
Yeah, it's stupid. I got locked in.
That was funny.
Was it funny as
Nah, it wasn't funny.
It was funny. You're laughing, Spoon. That was funny as
I was like, damn, I'm stuck in the car.
What happened?
Oh, what happened?
I'm stuck in the
Child
Are you okay?
Is it a child lock?
There's no padlock on a two-door. The Z is all ready for me to take it whenever, very, very soon. I think I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you, Jim, for even letting me take the Z. I hope my maintenance paid its dues. We'll see how it goes on the track. Jordy's shirts will be done tomorrow and will be sent out as soon as possible, so stay tuned for that email if you ordered one. I have a new design in the works, so keep an eye out for that as well. I apologize that this video isn't as long as last week's, but if you haven't already, check out the Final Bout After movie. It's a great time. Super behind the scenes. I got Spoon's point of view, Jordy's point of view, and a member from Front Street's point of view. Please like, comment, subscribe. See you guys soon.